Starting a welding electrodes business can be a rewarding venture if you have the right knowledge and plan in place. Here are some essential steps to consider. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for welding electrodes in your target area. Identify your potential customers, including industries, construction companies, and individual welders. 2. Business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, competition analysis, financial projections, and operational plans. 3. Legal requirements. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits required to operate a welding electrodes business in your region. 4. Suppliers and inventory. Identify reliable suppliers for high-quality welding electrodes and other related products. Maintain an adequate inventory to meet customer demands. 5. Location. Choose a suitable location for your business, ideally close to your target market or industrial areas. 6. Equipment and machinery. Invest in welding electrode manufacturing equipment and machinery, or if you plan to distribute rather than manufacture, ensure you have the required storage and handling facilities. 7. Quality control. Implement strict quality control measures to ensure your welding electrodes meet industry standards and customer expectations. 8. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your welding electrodes business. Utilize both online and offline marketing channels to reach potential customers.